Hi guys, Holy Lessons coming at you. So we are back again. Another beautiful week with Thank You Lord. Right, so we're in the key of A flat. So we have R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, and R1. So we start off with the intro. Right, so we start off with the 1 to a 7 and a 6. So on our 1 we have the A flat on the left, the B flat and the C, right? And on the right we have the E flat, the A flat and the C to R7. So on our 7 we have the G and the A flat, and on the right we have the E flat, the G and the B flat. So to R6. So on the 6 is simply so we have the F and the A flat on the left, and on the right we have the C, the E flat, the F and the A flat. So right to a 2 to a 5. So on the 2 we have the A flat, the F and the A flat. So sorry, the B flat, the F and the A flat, and our right is simply our C major, D flat major, sorry. So we have the D flat, the F, the A flat and the D flat. So to our 5. So we have the A flat suspended, right, added to. So we have the E flat, A flat, B flat, the E flat, the A flat, the B flat and the E flat. Same thing on the right as well. So that's all. So that's all for the intro and pretty much for the verse. So and I hit off on the 5 twice, right? So then we go to our verse 1. So tragedies are commonplace. All kinds of diseases. So this is where we go. So okay, so going to the 5. So this a move to a 2-5-1. So a 2-5-1-4. Okay, so it's a 2-5-1-4 movement. So on the 2 you have the B flat and the A flat, and on the right you have the D, the G and the B flat. So on the right you have our G flat. So we have the D flat, the G flat and the B flat on the right, and on the left is the E flat, the G flat, the A flat and the B flat. Okay, to our 1. So on the 1 we have our A flat, the E flat and the G flat, and on the right is our usual E flat major, so the E flat, the A flat and the C. So together. Okay, and then from there go to a 4-3-2-1. Okay, so on the 4 is a D flat major, so we have the D flat, the F and the A flat. Same thing on the right. To R3. So on the 3 I have the C, the A flat, and on the right I have the B flat. I'm omitting the C here, but we can add the A flat, the C, the E flat and the A flat. So okay, to our 2. So we have the B flat and the F, and on the right we have the A flat, the D flat and the A flat. So 1. Okay. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, so from the 1 we do a 7-3-6, right? So on the 6 we have this, right? So a G minor 7th, right? flat 5 chord. So we have the G, the D flat, the F, and the B flat, D, right? So this is an E diminished 7. So we have the E and the G, and on the right we have the B flat, the D flat, the E, and the G, right? To our 6. So or okay, so after the 6, so our usual 6 there, F. So that's an F minor. So we have the F, the A flat, the C, the F, and the A flat. So